guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff with the Collector Car Network, which includes AutoHunter.com, ClassicCars.com, and The Journal. We are here at the 2022 Barrett-Jackson in beautiful Palm Beach, Florida. And here I have a very interesting vehicle for you guys to take a look at today. This is a 1972 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. This vehicle in particular features a nut and bolt ground up restoration and is finished in a medium bronze. And this vehicle looks absolutely gorgeous, whether you see it in the sun or here in the shade. It looks absolutely incredible. So moving on to the interior, there's a really good detail I want to show you. This is a Cheyenne Blazer, and if you'll note, looking at the seats, all that detail is part of the Cheyenne package. And if you go ahead and take a look at the shifter there, you'll notice that it is in fact a 4x4 Blazer. Now, this K5 Blazer is powered by a numbers matching 350 cubic inch V8 that is delivered to these beautiful rally wheels via an automatic transmission. Now, these wheels to me look absolutely perfect on this Blazer, and I think they really complete how quality this restoration was, bringing it into a like original condition. And these wheels look absolutely beefy and really give it that off-road aggressive look I think most people are looking for when they're looking at something like a Blazer. So now we're looking at the back of the vehicle, and this Blazer looks absolutely gorgeous in all of its boxy goodness, and that boxy goodness is what allowed this vehicle to be sold for $90,000 here at the Barrett-Jackson Palm Beach auctions, and it's worth every single penny, especially looking at this beautiful bronze color, and the white top is a very nice contrast to what is an incredible vehicle in the grand scheme of things. Now, if you want to get your hands on a Blazer or similar vehicle, definitely make sure you check out AutoHunter.com and ClassicCars.com, where there are plenty of vehicles waiting to be put in your garage. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and hit that like button, and definitely comment if you have any thoughts, or you want to let us know what you thought of the video or have any suggestions for future content. We would love to hear your feedback, and definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you so much for watching.